there's already been one strong storm rolling across our northern areas this morning, Mary. At times it has been considered severe, laying down wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Yeah. And this is just round one. It looks even stormier as we head into the afternoon. Wow. It's the afternoon we're most concerned with. So let's take a look first at Stuyvesant Plaza. We've got a little bit of low cloud cover. You can really feel the humidity. But there's also been already a few breaks of sun. No storms yet in the capital region, but there are some storms to our north, and I'll show you that in just a second. I do want to start with the temperature real quick. It is already starting to heat up. 73 in Albany, 75 in Hudson, mid-70s through the southern Vermont and Berkshire areas. We've got 76 in North Adams, Bennington, Vermont also at 76. And when you add the humidity, it feels warmer. Dew points creeping into the low 70s. That's considered oppressive humidity. It's going to be another tropical feeling day. And the reason that's important is it means that these thunderstorms, like yesterday, will be very heavy rainmakers. Torrential rain will be possible with these storms, and that could lead us to flash flooding, as again, there may be multiple rounds of these storms. So here is the radar. That's the storm near Glens Falls that has at times been considered severe. Getting a closer look right now, it is still considered severe. That's what that orange area indicates. Now, I put up a cone here showing you the cities that are going to be seeing that storm heading in their direction next. Near Poultney around 9:38, West Granville around 9:30. And it's going to continue to track to the north and east at about 40 miles per hour. It will be headed then into Vermont after it makes it out of New York. Here's a closer look at who's under the gun right now. Kingsbury getting dumped on. Adamsville, heavy rain headed your way. Let me shift over here. Glens Falls, in fact, now starting to get out from under the heaviest rain. Hartford, you're next. If the heavy rain hasn't started where you are, it will be soon. And watch out for those 60-mile-per-hour winds that have been associated with this storm. It's also possible you could see some hail up to the size of quarters. So be careful if you're in that neck of the woods. Could be a dangerous storm already this morning. Here's what's causing it. We're in a very muggy air mass, and this frontal boundary, as it slowly shifts east, is going to focus that line of storms right across our area. The most likely timing for widespread storms will be in the afternoon. And look at this. All parts of the viewing area have a chance for severe weather today. We're all in the same boat. Areas north have a better chance for an isolated tornado, but it's not completely out of the question there could be a stray tornado elsewhere, like we saw yesterday. Straight line wind damage is the biggest threat at 15%. Again, we're all in the same boat here. And there's also the chance for large hail. Goes for everybody. So let me show you the timing of these storms. Again, we're already seeing one rolling through the Glens Falls area, those northern areas. But by noon, they're going to start to become more widespread. Into the afternoon then, stray storms possible through around 3 p.m., but we're watching out for the possibility for a lineup of severe storms. If that happens, we're going to have to be on the lookout. Damaging winds and heavy rain could lead us to flash flooding. This is at 5 in the afternoon now. Look at that, those deep purples indicating very, very heavy rain. Storms still possible into the evening. This is 8 p.m. They will then be clearing in the early morning, but look, at 10 o'clock tonight, we're not out of the woods just yet. So it's going to be a bit of a long day. I've already got a cot set up in the weather center. I'm going to be babysitting the radar all morning and all afternoon long. 84 today. But once we get through today and the strong storms, better weather starts tomorrow, and we get a much-needed chance to dry out. Mary, I can't remember the last time we had 3 days in a row of dry weather, and it looks like we might string that together. Might even be 4 days in a row, as there's only a slight chance for a shower tomorrow. So there's definitely good news, but it's probably going to be a long day today.
Yeah.
You can always check the radar here on our News 10 Storm Tracker app. That's a good place to again, get that. It's free. It's widely available, Google Play or the App Store.
Some would probably argue that it's not perfect timing because people are already on their trips, but then again, if we have the 4th...
Yeah, it's good news for the 4th, but unfortunately for the holiday weekend, it's going to be a rough day today. Yep.
All right. Thank you, Nick. A photo...